In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to play your music via Bluetooth connection using your Vieo RV infotainment system. To start, select Music, then Bluetooth. The audio plays through the stereo, and media information appears on the stereo screen. For compatible phones and media players, you can control basic playback functions using the phone or stereo's on-screen controls or dedicated buttons on the dock. You can select a different source when needed. To do this, with the BT source selected, select the menu icon. Now select a Bluetooth device. You can also listen to AM/FM radio. To listen to AM or FM radio, tune into a radio station from the music player. Select AM or FM. Selecting the play button changes the tuning mode. The auto-tuning mode automatically finds frequencies with clear broadcast signals. To tune a specific frequency, manually hit the play button again to switch to manual mode. Now let's check out the volume controls. In addition to adjusting the volume by using these plus or minus buttons on the dock, you can also press the volume icon in the upper right-hand corner for more volume settings. Simply drag the controls. To adjust the volume from the undocked remote, select Music, and then the plus and minus icons. While undocked, the side volume buttons on the remote only control the remote's speaker audio, not the dock's audio. To mute the volume from the dock, select the power icon. To mute the volume from the undocked remote, select Music, and then the mute icon. Remember, your phone may have different Bluetooth volume settings for audio and hands-free calling, which may need to be adjusted along with the dock volume in order to balance music, calling, and navigation prompt volumes. To learn more about Vieo, go to garmin.com.